Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Bissell Little Green Multi-Cleaner. This powerful and versatile cleaning tool is designed to tackle tough messes and stains on a variety of surfaces. From upholstery and carpets to hard floors and more, the Little Green Multi-Cleaner is the perfect solution for anyone looking for better cleaning results with minimal effort. In this video, we'll put this amazing cleaner to the test and show you just how easy it is to achieve professional-looking results in the comfort of your own home. Number 1. Tackle small pet messes with the Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner. This lightweight machine sprays, scrubs, and suctions away dirt and stains from carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. Designed for quick cleanups, it's perfect for pet owners, and every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation in helping save homeless pets. Number 2. The Bissell Little Green Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner delivers powerful suction to tackle tough pet stains on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. For best results, use with Bissell Pet Pro OXY formula. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 3. Enjoy cordless convenience with the Bissell Little Green Mini Cordless Cleaner. Lightweight and compact, it easily tackles tough stains on carpets, upholstery, and more indoors or out. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 4. The Bissell Little Green Mini is a lightweight, compact cleaner that tackles tough stains on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. With a 16 ounces capacity and easy portability, it's perfect for quick cleanups in tight spaces. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 5. The Bissell Little Green Max Pet is a powerful, lightweight carpet and upholstery cleaner designed to remove tough pet stains and odors. With strong suction, scrubbing action, and a one-touch self-cleaning hose, it offers easy, effective cleanup. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to help save homeless pets. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.